Hello guys, maniod to ta guys, maniod
Is it
to.
my turn?
Later, I'm done. Maniod to. Nata dire miswa. Ay yung opo na nilagyan ng miswa. Sarap kumikop ng sabaw.
Ay, opo, atin ng rice.
Sarap.
Ito yung sabaw.
Laga ko makulit. Siya din daw.
I love it.
Gusto niya rin mag-video.
Princess Sister Daddy.
Eat na. You know what? The police is galit if the baby is not eating. Hindi kong samkao na siya pagkadlokan. No, don't police, don't go here because Ate Eileen eating na. Dana is not. Dana.
Go away, please, because Dan's eating.
Sa police, galit.
Galit kay Ate Ellen.
No, I'm not.
Dan is eating now.
Yeah, I'm eating now.
But because you're not eating.
I'm almost my food. I have more food, oh. I almost this. Go away, police. Dana is eating na. Rap. Paborito to ni Dana Elise. Sabaw nga lang, tsaka miswa. La, police! Look, Dana, police! Ate Eileen is already done.
No, I'm already dancing. Kunti lang.
Wow, kunti na lang. Ito si Ate Eileen huli.
Ate Len, hindi kunti.
Yeah, I'm dami pa, oh.
Yes, dami. What is dami?
More.
More food?
Kain guys, kain. Ano ba to? Pananghalian. Sa amin paniod to. Paniod to tag-utan. Utan Bisaya. Kumakain yan siya pagkausap ang pulis. The police is the K.
No.
So Dana's eating more. Nakakabusog pag gulay. Kahit wala ng kanin. Wala, isang taon na pala kung hindi nagkakanin. Pero mataba pa rin. Kasi matakaw ako sa Chichirya. Nag-i-stack ako ng chichirya. Boss. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.